Hello, hello. What's up, guys? Can you guys hear me? Okay, I think you guys could hear me. I was just checking, making sure my stream is well. It's working all good. I'm right here. What's up, guys? We're live. No Crypto Poppy today, but tomorrow, tune in. We'll be having a live stream again. We're doing more technical analysis on all your favorite cryptos and many other cryptos that we haven't heard of. So far, every show we had somebody tell us about a crypto that we haven't heard of before, and their technical analysis so far comes out pretty good. Like we mentioned before, we're in a bull market, so everything's going to rise to the top, which is great for everybody that's in the crypto space at the moment. But anyways, I'm just doing this. You know what? Let me redo that. Let me make it a little more formal. Hello, everybody. Welcome to a bit of a... Sorry, I've been having a little bit of adult juice, so forgive me. I'm not being that professional right now. It's a chill stream. Not that I'm that professional all the time. But anyways... This is ButterSmoothCrypto. I'm your host, John. Welcome back, where we talk all things crypto news, crypto technical analysis, anything that has to do with crypto. What's up, guys? How's it going? I hope you guys are doing well today. Let's see. So for today's show, let's see what did I have in store for you guys. I want to just go over some crypto news to see what's been going on in the crypto space lately. I haven't really checked out the news before we started the bull market. Before there was just a lot of speculation on what things were going to happen in the news. Now, let's see what's going on. I haven't really checked the news since the bull market started because I'm just taking a wild guess. Most crypto news right now have been positive, right? Hold on, let me change my my stream settings because my... Let's do 30,500. Okay, I guess it could do it. All right, so sorry guys, I thought my stream was looking bad, but it's picking up again. My internet connection is better. Let's see. Do you guys like the music? Let me pull up my chat too. Application. Image. Where can I pull up a chat? See, I gotta pull up my chat, see if I can see you guys. Hold on, it's making me log in again to my account. What's up, guys? We're just chilling. Hope you guys are tuning in right now. What is up? What's up? Drew Drop, how's it going, buddy? You in the chat? I see you. What is this? What is it telling me right here? No, my bid rate is pretty up. I didn't change it. What's up, April McDaniel? We checked out LCX. I don't know if you saw the video that I posted on that we posted for LCX. Go check it out. It's one of my recent videos. So it's I guess it's more popular than I thought. A lot of people watched that video. All right. Where could... So I was able to pull up my chat before. I seen text. No. How did I do my chat last time? Settings. Stream. Okay, so I'm guessing I'm just gonna have to have a little window pulled up to the side just in case. All right, my chat's right there. All right, guys. So what do I have for you guys in store today? We're going to read some crypto news. Let me pull up the screen right here. Oh, wait, nope. Wrong one. There we go. Yes, Drew Drop. We'll be looking at price on ANVL pretty soon. Tell me if the music is too loud or not. Tell me what you guys think. If you guys want me to put it down a little bit or put it up a little bit. What up, Hermit? We going to the moon or what? Yes, we are. We're on our way to the moon. You know what? With the backing of Elon Musk, we're going to go to Mars. How about that? We're not going to the moon. We're going to Mars, especially this cycle. Everything's looking amazing this cycle. LCX, moon. Yeah, when we looked at LCX, it looked pretty damn good to me. It looks like he's been mooning everybody, right? Oh, okay, so you want the music a little higher? Okay, let me do a little higher. Tell me how that sounds. I don't want it to overpower my voice, which is very hard to do because I know I have a loud voice. Cheers, guys. I'm just gonna have to pull up my chat on my phone because it's hard to see here. Distortion. April says it's distorted. Is it distorted? How about now? Does that sound better, April? Please help me out, guys. I don't want it to sound too bad. Okay, sorry guys. It's a little bit distorted. I'm gonna put it down a little more. How about that? Does that sound better? Let me know. Let me know if it sounds good. It's hard to check myself. I think, you know what? I need to put down my microphone. How about that? Does that sound better? Let me know, guys, in the chat, please. Is it worse now? Oh, God. How about now? Does that sound better? Not good? Man. Okay, let me turn it down a little more. Does my voice sound better now? I appreciate you guys checking for me. Yeah? Okay, perfect. Sorry, guys. I had my voice a little too loud, I think. And let me see. The music is, I'm going to keep it a little low. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Hermit and April. I appreciate that. So today, we're going to go over some crypto news right now. This is some news from Coindesk.com. The crypto cash break the U.S. elections. Did they? Let's see. Years ago, a Supreme Court decision opened the door for more corporate money in politics, and a trio of crypto companies has blasted that door off its hinges. Off its hinges. Yeah, man. It seems like a lot of things are going on with Flex right now, and somebody posted, I don't know if you caught this on X or not, but somebody posted a post about Flex working with Base, which is a part of Coinbase, and one of the Flex people, I think Trevor, came out and asked people to take it down because I don't think those news are supposed to be out just yet. Well, I'm hoping that they are working directly with Coinbase, because that will be huge. Because basically all crypto traffic goes through Coinbase Exchange, one of the biggest exchanges in the world, which is here in America, right? So if Flex is working with crypto with Coinbase, I think we're not going to the moon, we're not going to Mars, we're going to another goddamn galaxy. I tell you that right now. If they're working with Coinbase, I'm really thinking that we have our next big tech company, right? We have so many of them. It could be something similar to when PayPal came out, hopefully. Anyways, let's keep reading this news. Let's see. What do we need to know? The Citizens United ruling set the stage in 2010 for limitless corporate spending in U.S. elections. And this year, the crypto industry made what's arguably the most intense use of that power. No, there was a lot of more lobbying for crypto in this. There was a lot more lobbying for crypto this year around. That was a lot of people's one issue voting that they picked on crypto. Who was going to be pro crypto this election and who's going to be anti crypto? And of course, Trump made it pretty obvious that he was a pro crypto candidate. I don't think Kamala went out there and and talk down crypto, but I don't think she did enough or said anything about it. So that's what made people wary about it. And, you know, Trump completely embraced it. I think in the past, Trump has said that he doesn't like crypto because it's competing with the dollar. But of course, it could be for political reasons, or he's kind of seeing the light now that Bitcoin is a good money maker, right? All right, let's keep reading. Critics are worried that not only are crypto businesses undermining democracy, but they may have provided a ready guide for other industries to follow. Okay, listen, guys. Crypto did not invent lobby. The crypto businesses did not invent lobbying. Lobbying has been around for decades now, right? They're not the first entity to go to Congress with money and for them to change rules in their favor. They're not the first group of people that done that. We got the pharmacy corporations, big union, big what else we have? Big tech. There's so many other companies that have come to Congress with money so they could change the laws in their favor. Oh, Herman, I think you are right, brother. Yeah, I mean, I'm just speculating, dude. I'm not sure if that's the case, but it could possibly happen. But we're just here for the ride, my man. Uptown, Rio, what up, man? How's it going? And we are back. Yes, we are back. We're just having a little chill stream. I'm doing a little bit of crypto news reading and just hanging out with you guys, keeping up with you guys. But please stay tuned. Tomorrow, I'm definitely going to have another YouTube live stream with Crypto Poppy, the main man behind this operation. Something that you guys, if you guys have been watching my channel long enough, if you go back, you know, so this is how the dynamic of the ButterSmoothCrypto show is, right? Crypto Poppy, he's the mastermind. He's the one with the knowledge. He's the one that knows how to read the charts very well. And I'm his mentor, right? I'm his mentoree. He's my mentor. He's teaching me about crypto, but I'm the production here. I'm the one that puts out the information out there. I'm the one editing the videos. I'm the one having to carry all the equipment around because I want to put this information out for everybody because this is good information, and you're not gonna get it anywhere else. If I didn't know Crypto Poppy personally, I don't think I ever would have gotten into crypto on my own. Maybe maybe possibly, but not now how deep I am because of him. I think I would have found it on my own. I was already looking into investing and things and that. Me and Crypto Poppy are longtime friends. We reconnected. He told me what he was doing with crypto. So I said, you know what? Let me take a chance. Let me take a crack at it and get into it too, right? But only because I saw what he was doing. What's up, everybody watching? Throw one in the chat if you're here. Come on, guys. Let me know you guys are there listening and engaging with the content. All right, let me keep reading some crypto news. I'll check the chat, the live chat in a little bit. Let me move my screen. Hopefully, you guys can see the entire picture here now. Okay. Let me go this way. Oh wait, does it look? Yeah, it looks like I'm looking at the paper right there. Okay, whatever. This is the second in a series of stories examining the crypto industry, high stakes 2024 foray into politics and campaigning. The first explore the electoral track record of first shake PAC strategy. Okay, while politicians battle each other across 2024 U.S. electoral map, the crypto industry ran an unprecedented test of 14-year-old Supreme Court decision that had dynamite a new tunnel into politics for corporate cash. Thanks to a 2010 High Court case, a company can spend as much as it likes to bolster political allies and destroy enemies. Constitutional protected speech and crypto businesses spoke loudly this year. Yeah, crypto just got stronger and stronger this year. Hey, there we go. Thank you, Hermit. Thank you, April. I appreciate you guys' support. All right, let's go to the next. Let's keep reading. Seeing business interests influencing U.S. politics is nothing new, but there was something different about crypto's First Shake Political Action Committee. And the 169 million it ultimately gathered. The organization chose not to bother with the niceties, sometimes seen from mega industries, coding their policy agendas in pro-American economic boosting rhetoric. The First Shake Super PAC and its affiliated PACs didn't sugarcoat their aim, getting as many crypto allies as possible on Capitol Hill so they can write crypto-friendly U.S. rule. a crypto-friendly U.S. rulebook. So basically, there was a lot of lobbying by the crypto industry, which is good for us that are the people that are in crypto. And I don't really see a problem with it because everybody does it. But I don't know why they're making it seem as if they're the only people doing this type of lobbying, right? Putting money into the political system to get favorable laws. That happens all the time with many other industries, as I repeated before. All right, let's keep reading. 3 crypto business names, Coinbase Inc., Ripple Labs, and Andreessen Horowitz, A16Z, came together and moved enormous sums into the coffers of the campaign finance operation. The PACs began to heap million after million into congressional districts across the country in 2024, overwhelming many contests during the primaries. The flow of money was transparent, and even if the people and strategists deploying it were not. And it was all possible because of the Supreme Court's 2010 decision, commonly known as the Citizens United, which, along with a related cluster of cases, has allowed corporations to purchase an unlimited amount of independent advertising for political campaigns. The PACs plowed $10 million into an effort to derail Representative Katie Porter's bid to be a senator in California, nudging the Democrat out during the primary there and avoiding the accession of a politician they fear will join Senator Elizabeth Warren's crusade against crypto interests. The group spent about $40 million in Ohio on the successful aim to oust Democratic Senator Sherrod Brown, who stood in the industry's way as the chair of the Senate Backing Committee. But in many other places, it supported Democrat candidates as long as they were also pro-crypto. In the end, the industry's backed 7 winning senators and 46 members of next year's House of Representatives. That amounted to 91% of candidates the industry spends significant funds on. Quote, "We're quite proud of the political effort that we put in motion," quote, said Faryar Shirzad, Coinbase chief policy officer, who was once a former Goldman Sachs Group's Inc. executive and a White House official. He told CoinDesk that tens of millions in the U.S. who own crypto have been targeted mercilessly by unelected bureaucrats, and the fact that community has stood up for itself is a hallmark of what democratic processes are supposed to be about, unquote. So this is, they definitely put a lot of money. All right, so I think that's enough. I don't want to keep reading this. It just keeps saying the same thing about how much money the crypto industry has been sinking into political elections to get favorable crypto laws, which we should be happy for this. This is how the crypto industry keeps growing, putting money into politicians' pockets. I'm sorry, guys. That's just how things are, right? And especially with more regulation, they're gonna have to put even more money into politicians' pockets for as crypto keeps evolving and progressing. Next, let's see, what do we have? Crypto today, Bitcoin price tops $102,000 as Trump first acquires Ethereum and Chainlink. Let's see. Right here. Let's start right here. Altcoin market updates. Chainlink, Avalanche emerged top gainers as Trump backed what was the name of this coin? WLFI acquires Ethereum worth of $5 million. Let me see. Let me sum in a little bit. Donald Trump made bullish comments on the crypto sector as he rang the opening bell at New York Stock Exchange on Thursday. When asked about the proposal to add Bitcoin to a strategy reserve, Trump gave a cryptic response promising support for the cryptocurrency sector as a whole. Investors reacted positively with top altcoins like Chainlink and Avalanche entering double-digit gains as Bitcoin price hits $102,000. Chainlink price rose 20% to emerge the top performer among the top 20 coins. The link price has surged above 28 mark at press time, propelled by news of Trump-backed firm World Liberty Financial WLFI acquiring the token shortly after Chainlink team inked a strategy partnership with MBD, a major banking institution in the United Arab Emirates. Okay, so let's see. Chart of the day, Trump backed. Let's read right here. Chart of the day, Trump backed WLFI acquires Ethereum worth $5 million. World Liberty Financial, a crypto initiative backed by President-elect Donald Trump, has acquired $5 million worth of ETH on Wednesday. According to on-chain analytics platform Arkham Intelligence, this purchase boosted WLFI's ETH reserves above the 50 million mark, with the majority of acquisitions occurring after Trump's re-election. The conversation of WLFI's stablecoin reserves into Ethereum suggests that the World Liberty Financial is positioning itself more actively within the broader decentralized finance ecosystem. It also indicates that the project views Ethereum as a superior reserve asset compared to the US dollar, potentially hedging against anticipated devaluation due to rising inflation reported in the latest U.S. Consumer Price Index data and expected rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. The Arkham research chart above shows that the World Liberty wallet now holds approximately 75 million in cryptocurrencies. That includes over 50 million in ETH, 10 million in Coinbase wrapped Bitcoin token, 8 million in USDC, and 3 million in USDT, alongside smaller holdings of various altcoins. They're gonna run that bag up. Trump is running that bag up. So hopefully, I'm hoping that Trump already sees not just the potential for crypto, but the money potential in the short term, right? He is the financial man, so he's gonna look for gains anywhere he can. And I'm hoping that he saw those 100% gains in some coins and said to himself, you know what, we gotta go hard on crypto, like I did when I saw that. All right, that's that. I want to keep reading this article. Let's go into the next one. Let's see what's going on right here. What happened in crypto today? Ever since Wall Street panic buys something? I don't know. Have you guys seen that? I don't think so. Or maybe, you know what? I don't really pay attention to the stock market that much. I used to before I got into crypto because I was all into stocks. But then I found out about crypto and then went on to crypto. What's up, guys? Say hi in the chat. Don't let me talk to myself. Let me talk to you guys. All right, let me read this real quick. Bitcoin is doing that thing again, you know, where it can't decide if it wants to break records or take a nap. Today's been a roller coaster of almost there moments, with Bitcoin bouncing between $100,000 and $500 and $101,800, like it's stuck in the world's most expensive ping pong match. The inflation numbers dropped last night. Bitcoin made a sharp move, but while Bitcoin's been trying to break above the resistance, Ethereum is quietly still in the spotlight. Institutions are loading up their bags with ETH. So what's actually happening while everyone debates short-term price movements? Let's make sense of it all. Here's a quick rundown of the top headlines from the past 24 hours. All right, I like that. Let's do a quick rundown. All right, Mattis, are we having another sell off before February run up? You know what? I'm not sure. Let me read this. I'll get back to your question, Mattis. I'm gonna read this article. Oh, you know what? Before I read this article, and then I'll come back to this. Let me see. Hold on, I gotta pull up. I want to make sure. Let me pull up a little crypto. Bitcoin chart. I need to pull up. Let's see if we can chart trading view. Well, let's pull up. We're looking at the crypto chart real quick. Let's see what it's doing. Let me just move myself out of the way a little bit. I don't want to be all up in the business. All right, let's pull up the chart. Full chart. Let's do a monthly. Just kind of want to get a sense of what is. Oh, whoa. Let's see. No, I don't want Bitstamp. I want BTUSD. I want, let's see. Is it possible to have another drawdown for before February? I think so. Let's see what price we were at right here. We were about 19,000. Okay, I need to expand this a little more. There we go. Last top. So we went up, right? For the last, we're looking at the last cycle right here on Bitcoin, right? XYO Moon. Nona Gomez. Hi, Nona. Appreciate you tuning in. Johnny Medina, what are your thoughts on XYO Moon? We haven't checked that crypto out, but we're definitely gonna do it tomorrow. I'll definitely we'll do some technical analysis of that. Can you look at EOS? Are the news are expecting? Was it ended up? Okay, so when we ran up first time with Bitcoin, it ran up all the way to, let's see, 64,000, had a small drop, and then it ran up all the way to 69,000, and then another drop, boom. And this was in February. Look, all the way down to February, boom, just dropped all the way down, and then had a little run right here. And then over here, December, January, February, then March, it ran up. So I'm thinking we could have another slowdown by February again, because just how much this thing is going up. Hopefully before that happens, we hit a new all-time high, like really all-time high, but hopefully more than the what was that range, 102,000. I think the last technical analysis that we did on Bitcoin, we were looking at about 114,000. That was another level that it could hit. This is not my chart. I hope so. Yeah, XYO Moon. So are we having another sell-up before February run-up? Mattis, I think we might. Hopefully it's not too soon, but I think we'll have another sell-up before that. But then after that, hopefully we just keep running. Because, I mean, whatever we had right here, it wasn't too bad. Let's do the daily, right? Let's look at it a little closer. We had a little... Where was that dip? We had this. What was that dip right here? We went down. No, that wasn't even it. It was this right here. Yeah. So yeah, and I don't think that was even that bad. That was just more like a small correction. I don't think it was such a drawdown. I mean, the altcoin went down a little further down. What is it at? What is it at right now? Bitcoin is for the day. Let me change it for the week again. Yeah, I wouldn't worry about it, guys. I think we'll be fine, but we should have another drawdown. I don't know how big of a drawdown it will be, but it should have another one. Let me check EOS out. Could you look at EOS? There any news they are expecting? Was it ended up being a scam last bull run years ago? I don't know too much about EOS. I don't think it's a scam. It's been around for a while. Let's see, EOS, USD. Let's see. Hold on, I thought I added it. Nope, let me add it. Let's look at EOS. Yeah, so don't worry about EOS. I think it should come up. When, hopefully soon, it's been running up a little bit more. I'm also down on my EOS bag. I'm down like half my bag. I haven't recovered from my EOS investment yet, but it's on its way there, man. It was super low before. I went down to a quarter of my investment. Now I'm halfway with my investment, but we should go back to 100% soon. So don't worry about that. Look, the next level is right here, $15. And then before that, you got about $6, and then you got $3. You got some wicks right here. See the next one right here, you got $2. I wouldn't worry too much about your back holding at $1.38. Okay, good. Don't worry, you will get there. No, don't worry about it. You just have to be patient. Hey, you probably not $15 this cycle, but we talked about it before. Let me look at my YouTube channel. Let me see. Let me go get a refresher on what we said about Let me see. View channel. What was that last one? Let's see. I think. So let's see. What did we say last time? So yeah, so we're definitely thinking that EOS could run up to. So we're thinking it could go to $5, maybe $6. $6 would be. Pepe, look, the thing about meme coins, yes, you can make a lot of money on it, but I mean, you just really have to be involved with their communities and what they're doing, so you could keep track of what, you know, how they're moving the money, when they're gonna jump in, when they're gonna get out. Because it's hard for me enough to keep track of regular cryptos. With meme coins, there's a lot of other variables that go on with that, and a lot of things that could drag the price down. But there's also a lot of things that could make the price pop. But I was myself personally, I stay away from meme coins. I don't buy anything that doesn't meet our requirements to buy. But I mean, are you up on your Pepe bag? Tell me about your Pepe bag, Mattis. Are you up on that? In the meantime, I'll take a look at XYO, since you guys told me to look at that. Yeah, I don't think we have done hold on. I hate that it doesn't automatically USD. What's your entry price on Pepe if you're holding some Pepe, Mattis? All right, let's see. No, did I add it to YO? Really? Come on, XYO. Oh, I see. But how much of a profit did you make on that Pepe coin? Did you make 50% on your profit? Did you 100%? Did you double your profit? How much profit did you get from Pepe? Percentage. You don't have to give me. I was at 0.00. Let me look at Pepe. Oh, okay. I know what it's doing. It's not gonna let me add anymore. I gotta delete some. Let me delete this one. All right, Pepe. I'm gonna look at your Pepe. Now I think I got 15%. So you put in you got 15% profits. So let's say, if you put in $100 in there, let's say you put $1,000 in there, you made $150 on that. So $1,150 on the Pepe coin there. That's what you're saying here, right? Let's look up Pepe. What is the price right now? No, I don't. That's not the right chart. Cancel. Let's see. Pepe USD. Right? Pepe USD. All right. Crypto chart. Oh man. All right. So you got 15%. I was at 0.002. Where's the price at right now? Why isn't it giving me just regular numbers? Why does it have to do all this? Peep USD. Oh. There we go. Points. So Pepe's still at the 0.00. 4 zeros on that, Pepe. You were at 3 zeros. 15%. Yeah. How's Stash looking? Take a look at Stash too, but let's change it to days. Yeah, the Pepe chart on Coinbase is not that big. Wow. What was the highest it got to? It got to 0.00. 4 zeros. Okay, 4 zeros. So So the highest it went to since it was listed on Coinbase, it went up 29%, about 30%. That's how much it went up since it was listed on Coinbase. So it was from right here. Okay. Let me take a look at Stash. I don't think we've seen Stash. You know what? We'll do some. I got some more coins to do technical analysis on now. Stash will be another one. Stash. Oh, what? On what chart are you looking at your Stash coin, Billy Bob? Where can I find this? The right data for it. I said USD, USDT, USD. I guess I'll go with the USDT. So how many? 3 zeros for Stash. Let's do the weekly. Ooh, okay, it's dipped down a little bit, huh? I mean, from where I got there in this chart, let's see how much has it gone down? About, what's the price right now? 1008. Oh, 3 zeros. It's gone down to 3. Has it gone down to 3 zeros? Yeah. So it's gone down since it was listed on this. Yeah. Bird eye. It's down 86% since when? Right here. April 22, April 22nd, 2024 till now is down 86%. Okay. Let me look for another chart for it on Bird Eye. Let's see. Bird Eye. Stash. Solana. Whoa. Stash. So Stash was, did it just come out in March 2024? Huh. Okay. Yeah, it's not too much on the charts here for Stash or Peep. But look at AMP though. AMP is looking beautiful. You got all type AMP. The daily it did, yeah. Yeah, I mean there's not much to look at on those on Peep and Stash. We're just gonna have to wait for the next move on this bull market to get some better records off of it and then be ready for the next cycle. Because hopefully, you know, all this I have a feeling Pepe will stick around. Stash, maybe not. I mean, the AMP community is really into Stash, and the AMP community is a strong community, so I think Stash will stick around too for a while. But the true test is going to be when, you know, obviously there's a lot of more crypto adoption in regular industries. So when full adoption is in swing, I think there's going to be a lot more regulations in the crypto market, and I think a lot of the poop coins, whatever you want to call them, meme coins, are going to go away. Are going to go away, but hopefully it takes a lot more time for it to happen, and we could just fill our bags, because once regulation comes in, I don't know if we're going to be able to get as much gains as we do now. I don't know. Hopefully we are. We'll see. because once there's bigger players involved, there's gonna be even more money involved, but also more trickery going on, right? Especially when there's big industry now, more big mainstream buyers. Wall Street is buying into crypto now. The governments are buying into crypto. So I think a lot of this cycle is gonna. I don't know. Hopefully, there's more crazy cycles after this one, but I don't know, man. We'll see. I'm always siding on the more conservative side of things. People want to say, Bitcoin's gonna go to 1 million. When I hear people say that, I was like, okay. Probably Bitcoin is not going to go to 1 million. Maybe 150,000. Maybe that's more for sure. I want to say maybe 200,000. A little more on the more optimistic side, right? But I'm playing a conservative, and I think Bitcoin will hit 150,000. Because anything more than that, we'll be happy. But what I'm truly more looking into, more worry about, it's I wouldn't say worry, but more focus on is ETH. Because ETH still has to put his move, like Crypto Papi says. We're going to stick to that rule that for the altcoin market to really move, get this move in, to really start swinging up, we're going to have to break that all-time high from before. Let's see, where is that all-time high from before? Let's do monthly. Let's go for the month. There we go. This was $4,867 on this wick right here. This is the one. Let's put a line right here. On this candle right here, we need to break this all-time high right here. Wow, I should have done the cross. Add another line. Horizontal line, and we're about $4,800, 867. So right there, we gotta break this all-time high from Ethereum, and then we'll see how the altcoin market is gonna be moving after that. That's when hopefully we'll see that crazy hysteria in the market after Ethereum breaks its all-time high. Exactly. Yes, ETH definitely the sleeping giant that we need to wake up. Bitcoin is already woken up and taking a lap around the country. Now is Ethereum's move. Any thoughts on Blast Coin? I have not, MC Evans. I have not heard of Blast Token, but let's look at it. Let's take a look at Blast Token. Blast Token. Oh, hold on. Let me delete some. I need to pay for the TradingView membership, or else I don't know. Let me remove some of the stuff here. Blast. Blast USD. Okay. I have not heard of this token before, but this is something definitely we're going to have to look at now since you guys told us about it. It hasn't been on Bitcoin that long. I mean, on Bitcoin. Sorry, on Coinbase that long, it seems like. Just some months here. So it was listed on Bitcoin on June 1st, 2021. And ever since then, let's see. Ever since that, let me go to the weekly. Let's do the weekly chart. It's just been going down a little bit from where it got it. Let's see. What's the highest price? 30.50. Let's measure from this 30.50. Well, I mean, where did it close at? Let me see. No, it closed at 24.46. So let's get the measuring tool. 24. All the way down to right now's price is down 50%. Yes, once Ethereum moves, I think it's gonna pop just like Bitcoin did. It's just gonna go up the chain, and that's what we're hoping for. That's what we're really waiting for. Even though so many cryptos already put in their move and are moving massively, because a lot of the coins that I'm holding in my bag, most of them are in profit. Okay, there's very few of them that are not in profit, but most of them are. And and if that's a sign of what's to come after Ethereum moves, I mean, I can't wait. But one thing I gotta tell you guys: if you guys are in profit, take profits. Don't be scared of it. Take some profits. Take profits. We got to lock in those profits because look, it's not real until you sell it. I've been talking to my family. I'm sure you guys probably had the same story. If you guys found the crypto call and you wanted to tell everybody, no problem. And see what happens. You know what? Tomorrow, please tune in and we're gonna do another live technical analysis. I'm not the mastermind behind the technical analysis. That's going to be Crypto Poppy. I'm just the production man right here. I'm the one that puts on the show. But for sure, tomorrow, tune in. We'll be having another live stream with Crypto Poppy, and he'll give you a better technical analysis on the Blast token. It'd be much better. Could give you some more prices of where, if you're looking to get out, where you could get out at, or if you're looking to buy back in, where you could buy back in. But please tune in for that tomorrow. So what was I saying? Oh yeah. So one thing that I told my cousin that I got into crypto because he's in profit too. He already doubled his money. So I'm telling him, look, it's not real until you sell it, until you put the profits into your account. That's when it's real. Right now, yes, you're up massively on both of your tokens that I told you to buy. But for you to actually lock in the profits, the actual money, you got to sell. And they're not ready to sell because I told them, look, before they got in, like, if you're going to put in money into crypto, you got to be sure that you're willing to lose the money. Not because you're going to lose the money, but, excuse me, guys. I know I need to stop burping on the live streams. Not because I'm thinking you're going to lose your money, but because, sorry. What was I going with that? I'm getting all lost. So I was telling my cousin, it's only real until you sell it, and not because we're going to think it's going to go down in price, but just because most people that get into the market and they get into a bull run, especially, they get greedy. They think price is going to keep going up and up and up and up. And one thing that we learned watching the bear market and then going into this bull market is that things don't go up forever. Like you've seen the correction that we had recently. Everything was booming, boom, 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 boom. My portfolio, my crypto portfolio was in the 6 digits. It was looking amazing, but it had a correction. And when Bitcoin corrected, everything else corrected even more. You know, some other coins were down 10 to 20%. So yeah, if you are in profit, take some profits. I know another one of my friends that was waiting on his Doge bag for a long time. He was holding for a long time. So he finally took in some profits and locked them in just because he needed to pay some bills. So if you need to pay bills, if you want to just enjoy some money, if you are already in profit, take some profits. That's what we're here for. People want money out of crypto, not just because they want the money, right? But also because they want to do stuff with that money, right? They got things that they want to accomplish, debts that they want to pay off, right? So go ahead, take your money, enjoy it. What's up, everybody? We're just hanging out, nothing too serious. We're just before I started getting on the charts, we're reading some news, but we got to sidetrack off of that. I'll get back on the news for a little bit, or if you guys want to record something else, we could look at something else too. Whatever. I'm just kind of chilling. Like I said, it's on the title. It's a chill stream tonight, okay? But let's get ready for tomorrow, though. Tomorrow we're doing another live stream with Crypto Poppy. He is the one who's going to do some more technical analysis. We have a lot of coins that we're going to do technical analysis on. Let's see. What coins do we have? So we got, let's see, the coins that we touched on, we're going to touch on again. For tomorrow's live stream, we're going to do a little Bitcoin. We got Ethereum. We got Litecoin. We got XRP. We got Dogecoin, Zcash, Dash, Fetch AI, EOS, Songbird, Ren, PolySwarm, which is the ticker is NCT, Compound, Polymesh, with the ticker is POLYX, and then AMP. What's it called? So that's what we're going to be touching up on tomorrow. But of course, you guys suggested some other coins in the chat. Let me take some screenshots just so I remember to do that. Let's see. LCX Moon. Yep. LCX. Let me look at the chat. XY. Oh. We're going to look at XYO for tomorrow's live stream. That's one of them. And we'll take another look at Stash. And then we'll take a look at Blast Token as well. Anything going down on the X timeline? Let's see what we got going on. Isaac Miller, he's that guy that was looking at that one video. He was the guy that was in the YouTube video, an old YouTube video, when he was looking at the price of Bitcoin going to $111. And then Coinbase did a promotion for him, like a promotional video of him when Bitcoin hit $100,000, which was great. You know what? I'm going to look for that video. That was a interesting video. Let me see. We're just chilling, guys. What's up? What's up? If you guys just tuning in. Tomorrow, we'll probably be streaming. I think the last time we streamed around 8:30 p.m. Pacific time. I don't know exactly your time, Billy Bob, but yeah. So tomorrow, somewhere around 8:30 Pacific time. It just takes a little bit of time for me to drive over there to Crypto Poppy's house and set up my equipment. We've been doing it at his house for a little bit, but yeah, it's gonna be around 7:30. Yeah, Billy Bob. And tomorrow we could probably, if you Billy Bob, I know you're an avid listener. I love it. Thank you for that. If you have any questions specifically for Crypto Poppy, let us know. You can let me know today or tomorrow, and we'll answer those questions. He has a wealth of knowledge, not just about crypto, but just money in general. Ever since I know this guy, he's been a money magnet. So yeah. So if you guys have any questions about money in general, he's a good guy to ask. And I appreciate you guys tuning into my live stream. It's been a long ride, okay? Having 9 people watching your live stream is great, because before we had 0 people watching, okay? But now everybody's listening, right? The crypto market is here. If you guys watch our YouTube channel from previous years, even when we started 2021, you know, we've been saying the same things for a while now. Crypto Poppy's strategy has not changed. There's nothing that we've been changing really. It's the same thing over and over again. Kind of glad that, you know, the channel's doing much better than before. So yeah, you know, let's see. Let me move myself out of the way over here. That's when I used to put my face on the thumbnails. But yeah, so our first video was 3 years ago. We've been saying the same things, talking about the same coins. Let's watch this together, right? And we recorded this, I think it was in Reno. Yeah, we were in Reno recording this. This is when Bitcoin first made his first big move to 69,000. There's no audio at all. Hold on, let's see.
Perfect as you can. So we have that as
okay.
our swing high.
Billy Bob, can you tell
We
me
have
if you
our
can hear it
swing
now?
low here, the month directly after our swing high, which to me that's just a little bit more valid if you're looking for where spikes will potentially.
It should be
come in
fixed
if you
now.
drop
Let me
from
know,
this
please.
swing low,
Thank you, Billy
which
Bob,
I
for checking in.
mean,
Yep. Okay,
really
thank you.
can from this monthly time frame.
So this video right here, it was from October 24, 2021. This is our first video for YouTube. First technical analysis on Bitcoin at that time. So yeah, you can see this is right before it had his, I don't know how far along was it before it hit 69,000 here, but it was pretty close already. It was a $61,234 here. October 24, 2021.
In June of 2021, you do have the valid touch point here of the 61.8, excuse me. But as of recently, we've had a lot of success on our trading from the Fibonacci drawn here, which in later videos we could go over from candle body from the top to the wick at the bottom to swing low, and then you could go into your other time frames and just kind of see how that looks and see it doesn't, there's just too much going on. There's really no, you can't say that price went up here, it should have stopped down here, blah blah blah. But this doji candle right here, if we go back to the monthly and draw it from the wick to wick, opposed to
Body to wick.
yeah, candle body to wick, then it just gives you, you know, the Fibonacci's spread out just a little bit more. Then you would look to the weekly time frame to validate them, and you have your first touch point up here. This is where we drew it from right here. That's why you see this little breach below here. So anytime that price action came back down here to the 29,000.
Well, anyways, that was I just kind of wanted to show you that. So we've been doing this for a while, okay? So this we're just kind of getting vindicated on all of our calls. It definitely, when we were doing technical analysis, once the bear market started, yeah, it was brutal, guys. It was brutal, but it was good at the same time because we're buying. When nobody wanted to buy, we bought, guys. That's what we did. We bought. Okay, let's see. You know what? I'll do something simple. Let me see. Sorry, guys. Let me see.
It's gonna melt. We're gonna die right here before we came down to the 61.8 fib level.
Yeah.
And even when we pushed below it on these weekly time frames, the candle body still closed above the 61.8, which just made me that much more confident, and we are going to see the higher high potentially.
So yeah, because so right now you're saying the high that we have now, that's
Right.
the beginning right now. That's not even what we're expecting to see now. We're gonna maybe. All right, so that's that for that. Let's just, before we letting them gonna call it quits here soon, but I want to kind of just look at, see where our favorite cryptos are at currently, right? We got, so right now we got, let me move myself out of this over here, put it myself over here. Anyways, we got AMP, one of our favorite tokens. You know, the AMP community, we love this token. Full disclosure, I'm a big back holder of AMP, and AMP is everything's looking great. This is the part of the stream where I tell you, take a look at the bigger picture. Some people got scared when this price moved to the downside for a little bit, right? So currently AMP is down 3%, is at 0.0096, very close to 1 penny. It was at 1 penny at one point. For the week is down 12%. Okay, the 3% for the day, 12% for the weekly, and for the month 139%. That's amazing. And for the year, 162% for the year. So we're still looking good, guys, and we haven't hit our closest previous all-time high, right? Point 1 penny and 293. And then the all-time high, we're not even getting close to that yet, which is, let's see, it says 0.10 right here, but where does it say the other? Right here, the all-time high hit 0.1211. So we're still down from the all-time high, 92%. So we still got a long ways to go to get there for AMP. What's the next one that I'm gonna look up? ANVL. Let's look at ANVL. AMP people were in this coin. We love it. I think I already voted for it, right? I already voted for it. I'm not gonna log in right now, but ANVL, one of our favorite tokens, correct? Right? Let's see. Daily, it's up 1% for the daily. It's up 2% for the month, for the weekly. Okay. ANVL, one of our favorite tokens. This coin is gonna go crazy once it's released to a big exchange. Oh, so for the month, 41%. 41% for the month. Yeah, my ANVL bag is crazy, guys. It's crazy. All right, let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, let's see. For the day, is down 0.91%. Not that bad. It's below 100K, but it'll get to 100K again soon. For the week is up 2%. For the month is up 15%. For the year is 144% up, and all-time high. I can't even count that number. Let's see. Next one, ETH/USD, Ethereum. All right, Ethereum. 3,915. That's the price of today, or right now. Basically, is 0.10% up, 0.45% up for the weekly, 22% for the monthly, 80% for the year, and all-time highs is 138% for the all-time. So yeah, when in doubt, zoom out and look at the charts and see where it's at. I mean, the month is up. Year is up, weekly and day is not. It's up, but not as much as people would like it. But I mean, we're just hoping that Ethereum breaks all-time highs again. That's all we need to really get a move on. And I'm kind of thinking, maybe I'm wrong, but I think when the Ethereum breaks the next all-time highs, maybe once what's it called? Trump is finally in office officially, because he's not even in office yet. He's already making changes, but talking about making changes, but they're not going into effect until he actually takes office, which is going to be January 6th. And I think then that's when we get another crypto rally after that. Buy it all. Let's see. I have some Zcash. Let's look at my Zcash is looking great. It's looking great in my bag as well. For the day, we're down 12% for the day. 12% for the 7 days. 19% for the weekly, and for the month we are up 51%. Okay, that looks good. For the year, 96%. That looks great. And overall, we're still down 98% from $2,000. We still got some potential on Zcash. What's the next biggest price movement here that we have? $700. That's another big wick to get to. $700. We got Zcash. All right, next one. Let's do Dash. Oh yeah, love me some Dash too. My Dash bag is looking good as well. There we go. Dash is down 3% for the day, down 21% for the week, and up 96% for the month, and up 51% for the year. And let's see, all time and still up a lot for the all time, 22,000% for the all time chart. Okay, another coin that I hold in my bag is gonna be yeah, let me check my crypto bag real quick. We got Zcash, we got oh yeah, Compound. That's one of the ones that I have in my bag. I'm up on this bag too. Compound. Oh, I spelled it wrong. Compound. There we go. 113 crypto. All right. So for the day is down 0.03%. For the week is down 6.41%. For the month is up 134%. And for the year it's up 122%. All time is up 8%. So it's making its way back up there. Good. That's Compound. What's next? Okay. Another one. PolySwarm or NCT. NCT. Let's see this one right here. All right. So for this one, let's see. What do we have here? It's down 6.38% for the day. The price is 2 cents and 0.02287 cents. For the weekly is down 18%. For the monthly is down 26.99%. For the year is up 142%. And all time is up 386%. So how far are we from the all-time high? We're let's see. All-time high. We're still down 86% from the all-time high, which is 0.17 cents. Perfect. All right, that's NCT. One of my next coins in the bag. EOS is another one. Did they change the profile pic for EOS? I think they did. It's not the same one that I have on my Coinbase app. All right. Anyways, that doesn't matter. Current price of EOS is $1.08. Is down 0.58% for the day. Is down 21% for the weekly. Is up 100% for the month, and is up 42% for the year. And all-time high is up 4.77%. Okay, so it's going up, and it's 95% from its all-time high, $22. Nice. All right, what's next? What do we have in our bags? We got, what's the next one? Oh yeah, POLYX, Polymesh, used to be known as Polymat. So it's down for the day, 1.37%. Is down 30% for the week. Is down 41% for the, not down, it's up for the month. 41%. Is up 88% for the year. And all time is 61% for the all time, which is really good. And we are 53% away from the all time highs. Awesome. Yeah, because this is a very fairly new coin, 2022. What's the other one that I have in my bag? Oh, Ren. That's another one. Ren. Okay, the current price of Ren 0.04463 is down 4% for the day. 6.9 for the week is down. Is up 24% for the month. Is down 26% for the year. And for the all time is down 44%. But it's still 97% from its all time high, which was $1.83. Okay. All right. Is that it? Is that my entire bag? Yep, that's my entire bag right there, guys. That's what I'm holding right now. There's all the coins that I'm holding right now. Some of them are in profit, some of them are not, but I think overall we are in profit. Let me look at ANVL again. ANVL. When did I start buying my ANVL? Let me check. ANVL. Let's see. Man, I can't wait for them to list it on Coinbase. Who is gonna pop pool is popping right now. It's up 19% for the day. Let's see. It's not showing me that right here on the charts. Is it up? Yeah, it's not showing it here. But on my chart is up 19% for the day. But anyways, I think what was the last price that I got into? ANVL SWAT. Oh, let's see. Receive. Let's see. What price did I get into ANVL? When did I do this? This was September 24. So that was my last buy for ANVL. Oh, September 24. So about my ANVL right here. This beautiful little candle right here. So let's say I bought, can I get the measuring tool here? Yeah, there we go. 24, that was my last buy. Let's say I was buying at the low right here. 0.0071. And then running up all the way to right here. Yeah, we definitely, my ANVL bag is looking insane. That's for sure. That's one of my biggest bags right now. Even almost as big as my AMP bag. But yeah, it's up 600% since September 24 when I first bought it. Well, September 23, 24, right here. So it'll be like right here since I first bought it all the way up to right here. 496. Right here. Yeah, 628% since I bought it early. Around this price range. Yeah, my ANVL bag is looking massive right now. And it keeps going up right now. It's going up as we're speaking. It's insane. I definitely flipped this bag a lot. I'm hoping I'd probably in the future we'll do some private live streams and we could actually show you guys what we're holding. I mean, if you guys been on X, you guys probably have an idea how much we're holding. We don't like to share it on YouTube so much, but we do share it on X. So if you're active on there, you're gonna see it there for sure. Let me check my live stream real quick. I want to see if I have any chats in there. Check my live chat real quick. Yeah, definitely. You talked to Tyler about ANVL already? Well, that's great. I'm glad you have a good connection with him. Yeah, I think if ANVL goes on the market, like it gets listed on Coinbase pretty soon, it's gonna be insane. I just want to say that because we hold a lot of ANVL because we held a lot of AMP and we staked it, so we hold a lot of ANVL as well, which I think that was pretty fair. You know, we were supplying the pool or for collateral, so I feel like it was fair for the people that were staking to get the ANVL. So yeah, but we could not have this opportunity if we weren't on AMP in the AMP community for such a long time. If you were in AMP for a long time, you would have had the chance to get this opportunity. I guess it's kind of like a IPO or ICO, right? Initial coin offering. That's kind of how it was. I mean, not per se that, but it was something similar to that. So we got, yes, the coins are in the DeFi on a DEX, I guess. Sorry, the decentralized exchange. But when they go to a centralized exchange, a DeFi, the centralized finance, just a regular exchange like Coinbase or Binance or whatever, it's just, when coins first get listed on On exchanges, they go nuts. That's why every time you open up a new coin on Coinbase or any other exchange, you see that big spike at the beginning and then it just goes down, right? So yeah. Right, Billy Bob? Aren't you glad you're an AMP member? Right? I'm so glad that we're AMP right now. Like I said before in another stream, we were talking about, me and Crypto Poppy, we were talking about how people getting impatient about not making so much money in the crypto market just yet. Think about this. You just bought the crypto and you're just holding it in your wallets or whatever, in your accounts, and it's going up in price. You're literally doing nothing. What else can you ask for? Yes, it's gonna take a little time to get to the amount of money that you want, but that's okay. That just takes time. You're not really doing anything. It's about patience. We're trying to the impatient transfer their wealth to the patient. Because people just can't sit on things. And I see it. I have one of my cousins put in a good amount of money in crypto, and he's chill as a cucumber, right? And another one of my cousins put just a little bit amount into crypto, and he's losing his mind because it went down in price. Now he's not saying anything because his Bitcoin, it wasn't Bitcoin, his crypto were technically double. So he's not saying anything now. But before, right, when we first had to put in the money, it went down a little bit and he was losing his mind. And he didn't even put that much in. And then my other cousin that put a lot more in, he's cool as a cucumber. Of course, he kind of got worried when it went down really bad, right? We had some good drops in here and there, but he's doubled his money already now. Yep, we got AMBL for being part of the AMP community. We got AMBL in for free. We got free. I wouldn't say for free, but let's say super cheap, just for the price of moving our AMP into a staking pool, put it there. We earning yield on that. We got some free AMP up of that, and at the same time, when with Ampera, the AMP organization. When Tyler, the founder of Flexa, the one that started this whole thing, when they decided to have another type of project that does something differently from what AMP does, when they decided to do that, they gave us basically we got rewarded for being AMP holders. They gave us free tokens that we didn't even expect. Nobody expected this to happen, and it just happened. Maybe some of the people that have some insights, like Billy Bob, he has some insights. He's talking to Tyler Spalding, all right? He has the insights on what's going on, but some people, I had no idea. I don't think Crypto Poppy didn't even have an idea that was going to happen, but we got lucky. So I doubled I got double my bags, right? I have AMBL, I had AMP, and then I doubled it with the AMBL. They gave me 1-to-1 rate. They gave everybody 1-to-1 rations for staking our AMP in their collateral pool at the Flexa capacitor, right? But then on top of that, I bought more coins, almost the same amount that they gave me. So I've tripled the coins. 1/3 of that was for a fraction of the price of what they're worth right now. And let's see, just so you guys get an idea how much my AMBL bag is at right now. I'm gonna do some math. I'll do it off the screen because I'm not good at math. Let's see. Let me see, what are we looking at? Let's see. Let me put the X. Let's leave that playing in the background for now. Mega Lester. Okay, that's what we're looking at. There we go. Food choice. All right, let's look at that chart. Let's leave that on there. Let me do that. Let me do that math real quick, right? Ooh, it is still going up right now. All right, let's see. Okay. I'm going to do some math. I'm going to add the amount of money that I put into AMBL at the time. Let's see. We got... All right, that's there. All right. money, guys. Can you guys believe it? Free money. Like I said, not free, but really cheap money. Let's just say that. Really cheap money. $89. Okay, I'm adding what I put into my ANVL token. After I got my free ANVL, then I bought some more, right? So in total, I put into ANVL about okay. So let's say we put in about $5,986, you know, with the fees and also about $6,000, right? Let's see. All right, so let's see how much I multiply my bags. Oh yeah. So basically it added up to what I was calculating on the chart. It did go up about 600%. So that's 6 times my money. 6 times my money. So you guys do the math on how much money I made on that ANVL token. You guys add it up. I'm not gonna do that math for you. So I don't think we're gonna make it to Denver ETH. It's too. I think it's too close. Let me see. When is Denver ETH coming up? When is that at? I know it's pretty soon, right? Denver ETH. When is it? Oh yeah, February 20. I don't know. We might be able to make it. Oh, you know what? The last day is my birthday, March 2nd. I like that. Okay. It's Denver. Honestly, I gotta talk to about it with Crypto Poppy, see if he wants to make the trip. We could work something out. But yeah, Denver looks good. February opening ceremony. And are you guys gonna have a booth there, Billy Bob? Or what's up? What are you guys planning on doing? I'm guessing Tyler's gonna have a booth there, right? With ANVL and the ANVL organization. Or is it Ampera? Who's going to be there? Tell me, Billy Bob. Who's going to be there? You're the guy in the know now. You're the guy that we know that knows. Ampera. Okay, so AMP. So is Tyler going to be there too then at the ETH Denver? What's your X username, Billy Bob? So I know who you are exactly. I like that. I like to post. A lot of people like my tweet about Coinbase putting all the meme coins. Okay, thank you, Billy Bob. Yeah, hit me up in the DMs, dude, because I know a lot of people just have different usernames on their YouTube accounts and then their X accounts. I do that. I mean, mine's similar, but it's a little bit different than my YouTube name. Thank you, Billy Bob. Yeah, hit me up. So anyway, this is what I said on the X, right? On the X. Oh, okay, Coinbase. If you let in all the meme coins in your exchange, can we at least have one utility coin be added to ANVL? Asking for a bunch of friends and then AMP, which is a fair question, right? I've been seeing all this. What was it? MOG, another meme coin got into Coinbase. What else was it? What was the other one? Yeah, this goddamn. What do you call this? What is it? This Mudang coin. Yeah, the Mudang coin got onto Coinbase too. Yeah. Okay, guys. I think I'm gonna log off now. I think I did enough for today. Just a little chill stream, just kind of looking at seeing what's going on. I didn't even get to read the news. After a while, I just get tired of reading. You know, I was doing this live streams for news, and I haven't done them in a while. So I just thought I had something else to read. It's 4,500. The next stop for Ethereum, hopefully so. Yeah, hopefully Ethereum needs to break all-time high so we get there, right? But anyways, let me
right. I'd like.
Oops. Let me get back over here. I like this song at the beginning. ButterSmoothCrypto, woo! It's time to celebrate, guys. It's the crypto bull run. Celebrate. All right, guys. That's it for tonight. I just wanted to get on here and catch up with you guys a little bit, see how you guys are doing, get on the crypto market. Make sure if you're listening to this live right now that you subscribe, like this video, comment down below. If you have any requests for technical analysis on certain cryptos that you guys have, or just want to take a look at, let us know in the comment on the chat below. Tomorrow we'll be having another live stream with Crypto Poppy. We'll be doing more technical analysis on your favorite coins and the ones that you requested today as well. We're gonna look at Blast Coin. We're gonna look at XYO and the other one, Stash. Just take a look at some new coins in the market. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. I appreciate you guys' time. We're almost at 500 YouTube subscribers, so make sure you're subscribed, guys. Help us reach that goal of 500 YouTube subscribers. We're so close. We definitely put up some numbers. As the crypto market has been rising, our YouTube channel has been rising too, which is great. We love it. Before we leave, though, let me give a shout out to the people that tune in to today's live stream. We got Drew Drop. Thank you for tuning in, buddy. April McDaniel, thank you. Hermit, thank you for tuning in, buddy. Who else? Uptown Rio. Thank you for tuning in, Uptown Rio. Appreciate you. Mattis. Thank you, Mattis, for tuning in. Nona Gomez. I appreciate you. Thank you for tuning in. Who else? Johnny Medina. Thank you for tuning in, Johnny Medina. I appreciate you, buddy. And Billy Bob, the guy in the know. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for taking the time to watch this live YouTube show. Anyways. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Tune in. Make sure you tune in. We'll be doing a live stream again. Let me repeat that. Around 8 p.m. Pacific time. We might be on before that, but we are just giving ourselves a little bit of a wiggle room. So we're saying 8:30 Pacific time. Okay, guys? I appreciate you guys. Thank you for tuning in. I'll talk to you guys later. Okay? Bye-bye, guys.